Hi everyone, here we have a Honda CR 250 1986. As you can see, beautiful machine. Just I do a little look around. Bike was fully restored. In 2018, as I know from previous owner. So you can see now I think in this year the Honda built, actually they always do, absolutely amazing machine, bike. Suspension isn't that great like the new bikes, but engine is very reliable and they handle pretty much okay. I don't think there's many left in that condition. Absolutely beauty of the bike. The bike is 100% original. There's no any aftermarket parts or anything. It was beautiful base for restoration when it was found. Okay, so that's Honda CR 250 1986. See you with another video with another beautiful classic enduro or maybe some old Suzuki Jeep.